Perhaps we could, yes.
Walking through this gate today, Mama, has been quite surreal. It is the first time since I have known this home to come here when Mzo is not here. And, you know, today, Mama called me and she told me, Sifuna, you look like somebody who needs a hug. And I am eternally grateful, Mama, that I have come to your home and I've gotten that hug. It is going to renew my spirit and my strength.